Today, I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to delete those pesky Instagram search suggestions when you're typing. Let's dive right in. To start, click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, head to the top right and click on the three lines. Within the menu, locate and click on your activity. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account activity. Scroll down a bit until you find the section that says Recent Searches. Click on it. Now, at the top, you'll see an option to clear all. Click on it and voila, your entire search history is cleared. If, after clearing your history, the suggestions still persist, here's what you can do. Go back to the three lines at the top. Click on Settings and Privacy, then scroll down and click on Help. Within the Help section, select Report a Problem, then choose Report Problem. Click on Don't Include and continue. In the text box, describe your issue, mentioning that you want to remove search suggestions when typing. Hit Send at the top. If all else fails, you can try deleting the Instagram app and reinstalling it. Sometimes, this simple step can resolve persistent issues. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one on HowToMastery, your go-to destination for helpful how-to guides. See you next time.